Right from the early days of the vaccine rollout, one small local pharmacy chain has been delivering shots almost anywhere it could.
We've vaccinated people at barber shops. We've gone to big employers in the area and we've vaccinated people at their work. We've vaccinated people in grocery stores.
Hashem Zabak says it's because his Hyatt pharmacy team has been mobile that it's been so successful at getting shots in arms from homes of the homebound to places ranging from churches to bars.
We have vaccinated close to 30,000 people.
Well, actually, the number is closer to 34,000, according to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, or roughly the equivalent of vaccinating the entire population of Oak Creek.
How have you been able to do this?
Well, the beauty of being small is that you can move faster and you know your community better.
Hyatt's fight against COVID began in the early days of the pandemic, long before vaccines, distributing free protective gear to people in some of Milwaukee's poorest neighborhoods.
We had a booth at 19th and North and we were giving out masks and gloves and sanitizers.
Then, as COVID cases soared, Hyatt pivoted.
We were one of the first sites in Milwaukee to be able to test for COVID-19.
More than 28,000 COVID tests later, another pivot to vaccinations. Starting small, administering shots in this single office of its Southside Milwaukee pharmacy.
How difficult was it to get that up and running?
Well, our clinical team started planning for this months before even the vaccine was even authorized by the FDA.
And as vaccine providers everywhere tried to create a system from scratch on a scale never before seen, some stumbled out of the gate. 12 News reported about early challenges at the Wisconsin Center site and the difficulties Walgreens encountered in scheduling appointments, forcing the pharmacy giant to change its online sign-up system.
211 through 240.
But Hyatt's small operation got bigger and quickly outgrew its space. Tamir Kaladi is Hyatt's president.
As demand grew, we said we really need another solution here.
The answer was found in the school, which shares Hyatt's building.
We asked the school, can we borrow your gym?
That gym became a mass walk-in vaccination clinic, all while the mobile clinics continued, quickly adapting to each change in vaccine guidance and eligibility. Hyatt staff administered hundreds of vaccinations at this pop-up clinic at the Milwaukee Public Market on the same day Wisconsin opened eligibility to everyone over 16.
And I signed them up the moment we saw the opportunity.
But as Hyatt has built its vaccination process, it now has a new mission, and that is to build confidence in the vaccine.
Zabak now often speaks to the church groups or organizations before setting up a clinic to answer any questions people may have about the vaccine. When asked about Hyatt's operation, a Wisconsin DHS spokesperson told 12 News, "We encourage our vaccine providers to do that kind of targeted outreach to meet Wisconsinites where they are, especially those who may have barriers to getting to a healthcare provider or mass vaccination clinic." Pharmacist Dimi Sokol coordinates many of those Hyatt mobile clinics.
Definitely feel that, you're a part of the community and you did something, maybe a little bit, but you did something for the community.
One local pharmacy chain being creative and stepping up in a time of need.
This has been the highlight of my career.
In Milwaukee, I'm Kent Wainscott, WISN 12 News.